Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Here is your math teacher. Today we will learn about multiplication. So let's see some example. Example number 1. When you want to multiply 10 with 3, so what is your answer? Yes, you multiply 10 with 3, then your answer will be 30. How? Look at, you multiply 3 with 0 because we start multiplication always from ones column, and when we multiply 3 with 0, then our answer will be 0, because whenever we multiply any number with 0, our answer always be 0. Then we multiply 3 with 1, and when we read the table of 3 up to 1, so our answer will be 3 ones are 3. So our answer will be 3. So we write here 3 in the tens column, and it means you multiply 3 with 10, your answer will be 30. Now look at another example. Example number 2. Here you want to multiply 32 by 3. So how you multiply? Yes, you always multiply the digits in the ones column first. So we multiply 3 with 2. Our answer will be 6, because 3 2s are 6. So we write 6 here in the ones column. Now here your second digit in the tens column is 3. Now we multiply 3 with 3, so it means you read the table of 3 up to 3. 3 3s are 9. So we write 9 here in the tens column. So when you multiply 32 by 3, your answer will be 96. Now look at another example. Again, when you multiply 10 with 8, so we start multiplication from ones column. We multiply 8 with 0. Your answer will be 0. So we write 0 here in the ones column. Now we go to the tens column. So then when we multiply 8 with 1, so our answer will be 8. So we write 8 here in the tens column. So when we multiply 10 with 8, so our answer will be 80. So we write 80 here. Now look at another example. Example number 4. Here you want to multiply 20 with 3. So again we start multiplication from the ones column, and here you can see there is 3 and 0 in the ones column. So when we multiply 3 with 0, our answer will be 0, because whenever we multiply any number with 0, our answer will be 0. So we write 0 here in the ones column. Now the second digit in the tens column is 2. Now we multiply 3 with 2. So when we multiply 3 with 2, our answer will be 6. 3 2s are 6. So we write 6 here in the tens column. Means when you multiply 20 with 3, your answer will be 60. Now look at example number 5. Here you want to multiply 41 with 2. So again we multiply the column 1's digits here. 2 ones are 2. When you multiply 2 with 1, your answer will be 2. We write 2 here in the column 1. Now our second digit here in the tens column is 4. We multiply 2 with 4 and our answer will be 8. 2 4s are 8. So we write 8 here in the tens column. That means when we multiply 41 with 2, our answer will be 82. Now look at example number 6. Here you want to multiply 23 with 2. So again we multiply the digits which are in the ones column first. So 2 3s are 6, because we start multiplication from the column ones. So now we multiply 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6, and your second digit in tens column is 2. Now we multiply 2 with 2. 2 2s are 4. So we write 4 here in the tens column. It means when you multiply 23 with 2, your answer will be 46. So I hope you can understand the multiplication process. For this purpose, learn the tables of 2 and 3. Keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.